विसवप्रांत तुमकां येवकार. राष्ट्रीय अग्निशामक सेवा महाविद्यालयाच्या औद्योगिक ट्रेनी विजिटाच्या 68व्या विभागीय अधिकारी अभ्यासक्रमाचो सोमारास उक्तावण सुवाळो जालो. गोंय फायर सर्व्हिसेन हो उपक्रम राबयला म्हण माहिती फायर ऑफिसर अशोक मेनन हांणी दिल्या. RTX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
The Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services Goa is hosting the 68th Divisional Officers Trainees of the National Fire Service College for their practical attachment in the state of Goa. These trainees, the Divisional Officer trainees, after their 23 weeks of training, they have to undergo a practical attachment. So on the request of the National Fire Service College, the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services Goa is hosting them for undertaking this practical attachment. Now during this practical attachment, the trainees are exposed to various occupancies, that is the pharma industry, the hospitality industry, the major accident hazard industries, the high-rise buildings, to have a look at the fire protection measures which is already installed in the premises and undertake an audit. And then at the end of their 12 days of practical attachment, they will submit a detailed report for which they will be a detailed report will be submitted, which will be scrutinized and an exam will be conducted on the basis of that report.
How many are there?
There are 23 divisional officers trainees, and these trainees are from across India, from Maharashtra, from West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, and many other, even Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka as well.